Easy updos you can actually do, part 3. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2 yet, make sure to go take a look for them on my channel. So this is a braided bun hairstyle, and you're going to start by sectioning your hair into 2 parts. Now you're going to braid each section and tie it off with a clear hair elastic. And this is a regular 3-strand braid where the left section crosses over the middle, then the right section crosses over the middle, so on and so forth. These braids do not have to be perfect. You can see my part is all over the place, but we're going to cover it up later, so it's okay. Now you're going to take your braids and tie them together twice. And the second time you tie them should be on top of the first tie. Now you're going to use bobby pins to make sure everything stays in place. If you have any ends sticking out, you can tuck them underneath the braid bun you're creating. And this will create a really fabulous hairstyle. Comment below if you try this and make sure to subscribe for more hair tutorials.